What advice would you have for people who want to get into cosplaying?
Just do it. Cosplay is for everyone. Don't feel discouraged. It doesn't matter like what type of face that you have, what kind of body you have. It's for everyone to express themselves. So just do it.
Yeah, express yourself however you want to do it. If you know that a certain character doesn't fit your body type, skin color, hair color, do whatever you got to do to embody that character and make it your own. That's really it.
Yeah, I feel like definitely it's something that is for yourself, not really for other people. So, you know, no one's going to cosplay the character for you, so you might as well do it yourself.
And just have fun.
Yeah, just have fun.
Mine would be, don't care what others think about your hobby. Everyone has their own hobby and nobody should judge you for what you do for fun. And people do it for different reasons, so just be you no matter what happens. And don't let other people's words get to your head.
I agree.
Mine is also, don't care what other people think. It doesn't matter what skin tone or gender you are. You can always cosplay. It's for everyone.
Everybody to have a good time.
I would say just have fun. Don't be too serious about it. I feel like a lot of people can get really in their heads about like what they want to cosplay, how it's gonna look, or like, oh, it's not gonna look as good as this person or that person. But you know, just do what you love, cosplay your favorite character, and just start with it. Yeah.
You should just do it, no matter what character. Cosplaying is about expressing yourself and the characters you like. So don't hold back if you really want to try it out. I think it's really fun. I have friends that are here cosplaying for the first time.
Yeah.
And they've been enjoying themselves so far.
Have you made new friends cosplaying at events? So that's also a plus.
Yes.
Restricted to really do a certain character because you look a certain way. It's all about having fun. Come with something you know, and don't show up to try to impress somebody else. Do it because you want to have fun, and you're doing it because it's something you love.
I would say just do it. I literally started cosplaying by taking stuff from my closet and just putting it together and posting it online. And now I'm like showing up to conventions and I'm spending hundreds to thousands of dollars on cosplays. And it's like, it's just something you have to jump into. Like you can't just like dip your feet in. You just have to like jump into it.
Just go all in.
Just go all in.
And have fun.
Yeah.
Cosplay whatever you want.
Yeah.
If you see a character and you're like, I want to cosplay it, just do it.
See if there's outfits that people sell. It's easy to just buy one, and then like if you don't like the way it looks, you can always alter it. And like depending on what part of the outfit you don't like, you can always look online for tips on like how to change it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, because I don't know in the States, but back in Asian country, they're really strict about makeups and wigs and costumes. I just want to say, just feel relaxed and be the character you want. Yeah, enjoy it. Do not matter like what other people judge or
just have fun and do you.
Yes.
All right, so my piece of advice is that to be good at, here we go. If you want to be good at something, you have to start out by being bad at something.
Okay.
Because it doesn't matter if you look crappy the first time. You're going to get it eventually.
Yeah.
Be bad, make the mistakes. Look worse than this if you want to. You can, because you're gonna get it. You just have to keep trying.
As long as you're having fun.
Yeah.
You can always just start with what you already have. That's the easiest, and I think one of the most rewarding things is to, like she said, upcycle stuff, take what you own and make it your own kind of cosplay.
Yeah.
It's more rewarding that way when you can just DIY anything that you have in your closet, or if you're going thrifting, rather than spending like upwards of $50, $70, $80, $90 worth of something you can buy that's already made to put together.
Yeah.
Especially too when on Amazon, like not all the cosplays fit certain body types. It's best if you go with like what best fits you, and then you'll feel more confident in your cosplay when it's all complete.
Sure.
Personally, I'd say just do it. You know, the community is very, very big, especially now, and I think it's a very good experience.
I think do a character that you really, really love. Don't do it just for the trend, and just keep in mind comfortable, because you're gonna be standing and walking for hours. So make sure it's simple,
that might be the best advice we've heard.
Yeah.
Make sure it's something you can be comfortable in.
Yes.
Because I see these girls walking with these heels from a mile away.
Yes.
I don't know how you're gonna make it.
Don't look at somebody else and like judge yourself because somebody else might look like a one-up.
Yeah.
But like just kind of focus on your own pace, because just like art, it's your own type of style, and like anything you do is your own style and your own creativity and your own work to do it. So just focus on like how you do it and not how somebody else does it, because everyone's gonna look different.
Everybody's gonna be different.
Yeah.
And that's the good thing about it. Everybody's unique.
Exactly.
Have their own style.
Exactly. Because like when you see people, you're like, oh my god, I want to take a picture. You look so cool. It's
Yeah.
amazing. So yeah, that's how I think about it.
Ooh, definitely confidence, but it's really easy to have it whenever you are like fully dressed up as a character you're obsessed with.
Yeah.
Because especially like with something like this, like I have never cosplayed her before. I was a little nervous, but my first outfit that I ever did was Harley Quinn, and I did Bombshell Harley Quinn, and it was like heat of summer. It was very nerve-wracking because it was the first time I've ever actually put together a full outfit, but people are so nice. People are super, super friendly.
Yeah.
So definitely confidence is a big, big thing.
Especially at anime cons.
Oh, yeah.
I see a lot. I'm not saying people are rude other places, but anime cons, people seem to be pretty friendly.
And it's so nice whenever people come up to you and hype up your outfits. Like I was being so nervous, and then seeing somebody be like, "Oh my God, you're my favorite character!" It's like it makes my day so much better. So that kind of is what helps out a lot too. So it's really fun. I really love it. So yeah, just confidence and just really putting yourself out there.
And just do it.
Yeah, just do it.